shortcut to success. Okay? Shortcut to success na parang gusto kong aralin to, gusto ko, I think this is for me, and I think this is what I've been waiting for, an opportunity na hinahanap ko for so long, for a long, long time, na parang ito pala yon. So, yes, you can be an Amazon seller, and yes, you can be successful and sell your products in 4 weeks. Yes, you can open your store from the day na mag-enroll, and then, of course, with our guidance, you can do that. You can product source with our help in 4 weeks in relationship with Dollar Profit Mastery. And in collaboration with Amaze Nation, we are so proud that we have a mentorship program, a coaching program that's dedicated to our fellow Filipinos anywhere you are right now. Meron kaming mentorship na, ito yun. Meron kaming group coaching, no? Na apat na coaches sa program na magtuturo sa inyo ng ginawa namin, kung paano namin ginawa yung pagbebenta sa Amazon. Okay? Paano namin ginawa yon? Tapos, paano kami nakakabenta, nakaka-source, at paano namin inaral yung mga software and tools. Tapos, paano namin nagsa-successful yung account namin. Next is, you have to launch your business in 4 weeks. Okay? Yan yung aming guarantee. Focus on online arbitrage with an introduction to wholesale. Lahat yon online arbitrage, pero towards the end of the program, meron kaming basic introduction sa wholesale. Para pag nakaipon na kayo ng pera sa online arbitrage, meron kayong pangpuhunan ng malaki sa wholesale. Okay? Kasi sa wholesale, malaki ang requirement ng capital. Okay? Pero ini-introduce namin yon sa course. Okay? 12 months of access to self-paced pre-recorded videos. Ibig sabihin, 1 taon na meron kang access sa community, meron kang access sa modules, may access ka sa live sessions namin. Lahat ng ginagawa namin sa course, lahat ng question and answers namin, nandiyan yan. So, lahat ng support and ng community, nandiyan yan for 12 months. You can do that. But it doesn't necessarily mean na maghihintay ka pa ng 12 months bago magbenta, ha? 4 weeks lang gawin na natin to. Okay? So, meron din kayong, sabi ko, exclusive Facebook community. Meron na tayong 320 students in the class right now that can support you. Mga nagbebenta na at bumebenta na. So, nandiyan sila lahat to support us. And meron kaming weekly live group coaching sessions for a year, ha? For all of you. Lagi yan, Wednesday and Fridays. Okay, Wednesdays and Fridays at 8 o'clock in the evening. These are the investments that you have to know na parang, okay, I want to do this, I want to join this one, meron silang Facebook community. You have to invest in yourself. Ilang beses kayo sinasabihan na for you to be able to be successful or an entrepreneur of your own or a business owner, you have to really invest in yourself. Yun laging nakataksa sa isip ko nun eh. Parang minsan natetempt akong mag-shopping, magbili ng Louis Vuitton, ng mga status, ganyan-ganyan. Sabi ko, I'm just gonna learn, and then gusto ko na mag-invest sa sarili ko. Sasabihin ng asawa ko, paano ko, anong mga, tinatanong ko siya, sabi ko, paano ako mag-invest? Sabi niya, kung ano yung ikaka-learn mo pa, marami ka pang kailangan matutunan, ganito, mga trainings and all. Ano ba talaga yung dream mo? So, you really have to go back to yourself. Invest your money to yourself. Okay? So, kung gusto mo pang matuto, of course, you need to, invest in something, okay, worthwhile. Okay? So, as I've said, a year yan, 1 year yan, na mag-group coaching, merong live kami, sessions, and ayan. Ito yung bonuses na to, ha? Bonuses na yan. Libre ang 25 units ng pagpapaprep nyo, initial 25, so hindi kayo magbabayad kay Prep Center ng 25 units. And then, meron na kaming suppliers na vetted na siya, na doon kami bumibili Tapos ano yung mga major products to avoid. Okay, pag nagsusource na tayo, ayaw na natin na, okay, nakahanap ako ng $10 profit kay Clinique or kay Maybelline, hindi na siya pwedeng ibenta kasi for restricted na siya. So alam na natin na okay, ito ha, wag ka nang mag-source nito kasi alam naming restricted na tong item na to. Okay? Wag mo nang pagsaya ng panahon yan. So alam na namin na hindi ka pwede magbenta ng Clinique and Maybelline. So, libre yun for you. Okay? Libre yun sa'yo na eto na yon, may template ka na, may spreadsheet ka na pagbabasehan kung saan ka mag-uumpisa mag-source. Okay? Next is, every Wednesday night, meron kaming binibigay na free product leads to everyone who attends. So, ibig sabihin, yung coach namin, siya na yung naghanap ng product, alam na niya yung criteria, alam na niya yung source kung saan bibilhin, alam niya na kung magkano yung profit margin mo, yung ROI mo, bibilhin mo na lang. Okay? Every single Wednesday yon. Isa hanggang 2 products na binibigay, na bibilhin mo na lang. Libre yon, bonus yon. So doon pa lang, pag sasabihin mo, okay, may $5 akong ROI dito or profit margin, $5 sa binigay niya, nag-save ka na ng oras, ROI mo na din yan sa ininvest mo. Okay? Paano kung yung $5 na yun, bibili ka ng 100 units of the same product? Okay? Ilan yon? $5 times 100. Yan yung profit margin mo for that product na hindi mo pinaghirapan i-source. Kasi sinorce na ng coach mo for you. Okay? Bonus yon. Okay? Ayan, ito na yung mga technicalities. Okay? Na-overwhelm ba kayo doon? Ayan, sige, basahin natin ng isa-isa. Week 1, ito yung kailangan mong pag-aralan. Week 2, ito yung overview ng product research. Week 3, lahat ng mga tools, okay? Para at least alamin mo, ito yung gusto kong gawin, ito yung paano ba mag-ship out, paano ba yung, ano ba ang Helium 10, ano ba yung Jungle Scout, ano ba yung Source Mogul, ano ba yung Seller Amp. So lahat yan, kailangan nating alamin. O di ba kung gusto mong mag-VA, ito na rin yan. Kung gusto mong mag-VA, ito yung ginagawa nyo for your clients. Okay? So, this is a double, purpose. Kung gusto mo mag-seller, gusto mo mag-start muna as a VA, then do this. Kasi, of course, lahat ng tinuturo namin is the basic fundamentals of Amazon business. Okay? So, week 4, kailangan, nandyan ka na sa part na yan, natapos ka ng intindihin yung online arbitrage, ready ka na to venture out into wholesale. Okay? So, 2-in-1 to, VA and seller. Okay? Bonggang-bongga, no? Tapos na-excite pa kayo later, no? Mas hindi lang to. Okay? This is what excites me the most is 34,897 for today. But then again, okay, dahil nandito kayo lahat, with the help of Miss Jelay, meron kaming discount. Kaya sabi ko sa ito, may excite kayo. May discount kaming ibibigay for all of you. And we want to make sure na take advantage of this. Use the dollars code and get a 10% off 31,407 na lang. And then pwede kayong mag-installment. And again, 1 year access to ha. So this is all worth your money, worth your investment. I'm sure, I'm so confident to say that kasi sa isang product nyo pa lang, makukuha nyo na to, yung 1,000 pesos, dollars yung kikitain mo dito. Okay? So, sabay-sabay nating aralin yon at sabay-sabay tayong maging successful seller or VA. Whatever you have to do, pwedeng seller and VA. Pwedeng seller and VA. Pwedeng VA and seller. Okay? Kung saan kayo mag-start or pareho yung pag-aralan or, di ba? Opportunities. Okay? Ito, installment available via GCash, BillEase, or GGives. Ito yung code. Okay, thank you very much, and we appreciate you. I appreciate you listen to me throughout, and it's very exciting. I'm so looking forward to meet you, no, sa mga mag-enroll, and then I'm so looking forward to your successes. Kaya kami masyadong excited for that because we know na it's been, tested, and we know na ito ginawa na ng mga students namin from the Philippines and all over the world. Okay?
So, ang installment, depende siya sa pipiliin mong merchant. Kung G-Gibbs, G-Credit, depende sa kanila yung interest. Sa Bilis, depende pa rin. Home credit, tsaka credit card. Now, for example, you choose G-Gibbs. Mm, okay, let me share my screen lang very quick, no? For example, Joanna, ang pinili mo, G-Gibbs. For example, may offer ka ni GCash na G-Credit or G-Gibbs. So, as long as pasok siya sa credit limit, so pwede mong i-process yung enrollment, tapos dalawa yung marireceive mong email. Isang galing kay Amaze Nation, isang galing kay GCash. Yung kay GCash, doon nakalagay magkano yung monthly amortization hanggang kailan mo siya babayaran. Eto, wala siyang hihingiin sa yung down payment as long as pasok yung amount, etong amount na to, pasok dun sa price ng course. So for example, ang credit limit mo dito is nasa 40,000. So you can process the enrollment. Hindi mo naman ma-consume lahat kasi kung 31 lang something siya. So may matitira dito sa ano mo, sa GCash. Ngayon, kung bill is naman, iba rin yung process kay bill is tsaka kay home credit. So, kung kay bill is, ganito siya. For example, in-enroll mo yung 34,897. So, meron siyang ibibigay sa'yo na down payment. Sila yung magsiset na kung magkano yung amount ng down payment mo. Ikaw yung magsiset kung ilang buwan mo babayaran. And dun sa sinet mo kung ilang buwan, dun magdedepende yung monthly amortization mo. Okay? So, kung bill is yung napili mo, pwede kang mag-sign up muna bago ka mag-proceed sa enrollment. Same kay home credit, ganun din. Download mo lang yung app, tapos sign up ka. Pag na-approve, then proceed ka sa enrollment. And then, kung meron ka naman itong mga credit card, meron kang AUB credit card, Land Bank na credit card, Security Bank na credit card. So, ito yung mga credit card na automatic siyang installment. Okay? As long as pasok ka sa credit limit, once na na-process mo yung enrollment, ang darating sa'yo is yung monthly amortization mo na. Ngayon, kung magkano yung interest, I don't have any idea. Nakalagay naman siya doon sa email ng bangko. Pwedeng over the counter pero hindi pwede si Cebuana Palawan ML kasi 25,000 lang yung kanilang transaction limit per day. So if you wanted na over the counter, you can choose 7-Eleven, SM Bills Payment. Yan, Dragon Pay. Yan. For BPI, pwede mo siyang gamitin. Yes, ina-accept naman siya. Any credit card. But if ang question is installment siya, you have to contact your bank. Kaya ang installment lang namin sa credit card na automatic ang installment is etong tatlo lang. For Amex, JCB, BDO, BPI, China Bank, you have to contact your bank para sa staggered payment arrangement. Yun po.
Source. But then again, may mga students din na hindi pa nila tapos panoorin yung course. Hindi pa sila tapos manood ng buong video. Gusto na nilang magbenta kasi may account na sila, may pera na sila at gusto na nila, nag-product research na sila. So as fast as, as soon as they can do that, they can start sending products to Amazon. Okay? So ayan, nakita niyo yung video na yung si Mars, no? Na yung video testimonial niya na within a week na nakapunta na sa products niya sa Amazon, na sold out. Kaka-start pa lang, hindi pa siya tapos doon sa 4 weeks na niya na course. Estudyante pa namin siya na doon sa 4 weeks na yon. So, hindi pa siya tapos i-complete yung course, nagpadala na siya. So, na-sold out na daw. So, depende din, no? May mga factors din na nakaka-apekto doon sa percentage of numbers, no? Okay.
Si Romel. Last question.
Last question.
Wala nang. Okay. Sige, bago tayo mag-last question, thank you. Thank you. Romel, available po ba always ang course? Every month, 20 students ang tinatanggap namin. So, let me know, Viber or WhatsApp mo lang ako if ever na you wanted to enroll and you wanted to check on the course kung available. So, yeah, Viber, WhatsApp lang po.
So, with that, we want to wrap this up and we want to, of course, thank you for your time. And sana marami kayong natutunan. Sana na-excite kayo doon sa marami nyong na-absorb na information na, okay, that's very good. It's good to know. And then I'm happy to learn more. And ganun yung perspective natin na it's always an available opportunity for all of us and take advantage of it. No? Don't be complacent na parang, okay, I'll do it next time or what. Just take advantage of it. You'll never know what's gonna bring you back. So with that, and then congratulations sa mga nag-enroll na. Salamat. Doon sa nag-sign up na. Okay? So with that, God bless you all. Thank you, Coach Kay, Coach Jalay, and everyone. And then, be safe, everyone.